Yeah, students, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about wireless personal area network. Okay, here before that is the previous class we have discussed wireless local area network and how it is routed and how the local area network involved in the day-to-day life applications. All those things we have carried out in our previous classes. Okay, now wireless personal area network. So from the title itself, what is wireless personal area network? Personal in the sense we all knew that what it is belonging to one particular person, that is called personal. Okay, here also personal area network, that means the network, the coverage range of wireless personal area network is very minimum. Okay, that is why it is named as wireless personal area network. Now we'll discuss in detail the IEEE definition of wireless personal area network. Is also known as WPAN. Actually, wireless PAN is PAN, that is personal area network, where the interconnected devices are centered around a person's workspace and connected through wireless medium. Okay, so that is why it is named as personal area network, and the application it belongs to, like it is workspace, like connected through a wireless medium, not only workspace in industry or some office rooms. Likewise we can use the wireless personal area network applications. Okay, and that is why it is also called as a person's center short range wireless connectivity. Typically the range is within about 10 meters, means very short range. Plugging is on the key concept in WPAN, as within a close proximity WPAN equipped devices communicate with each other as they are connected through cable. Okay, and this is the IEEE definition. And WPAN introduction, as in WPAN mostly the connection between the devices happens within the building or in a room. As said in the previous slide, it is a closed range, that is maximum or the range, short range, it may be a 10-meter distance. Okay, so let's take an example of Wi-Fi connection through which two friends are chatting, sharing documents with each other in a room. Wi-Fi, it may cover 500 meter, but in a room how it is going to be happen, that is the example we have taken here. The examples of WPAN includes wireless mouse, wearable devices, USB flash drives, digital camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, thermostat, security systems, and lighting controls, motion sensors, personal server and link sensors, etc. Okay, and this is the personal wireless personal area network representation. See the image, and this image, the central device, it is the WPAN, and how it is interconnected with the devices which is inside a room or a workspace, like a limited range. Okay, and we may see the headset, mouse, and mobile phones and walkie talkie, as well as the printer, fax, or we can say, and TV. And likewise we have interconnected, these devices are interconnected through wireless personal area networks. So whatever the network, we must aware about the topology. We all knew the basic thing. The topology, it refers to the arrangements of different elements like nodes, links, or devices in a computer network. Basically here WPAN, we can follow the three types of topology. What are they? That is star topology, mesh topology, cluster tree topology. Star, the name itself, it is the star, it's a form of star like structure. Mesh, it is the form of mesh like structure. And cluster tree, it is having the, like it is having the branches. Okay, so likewise you see the star image, mesh image, as well as the cluster image. Here the red color indicates the coordinator node, the main node, and green indicates the end node, and blue indicates the router node. This is how WPAN topologies exist. And coming to the technologies used in the WPAN, it's a Bluetooth, Zigbee, infrared, Z-wave, wireless body area network. These are the technologies used in the WPAN. And the features of WPAN, why the WPAN is preferred in the network, that is low cost. That is the main affordable reason, because whatever the device comes into the market, the cost is much more needed. Little or also no infrastructure setup is needed. That is why it is low cost. Okay, and short range communication, small personal network, use anywhere, wide range of devices. In a short distance we can connect wide range of devices, and also it consume less power, that is low power consumption, and no complex connectivity. The connectivity also very easy. These are the features of WPAN, so that we are preferring the WPAN in a closed environment especially. And the advantages, disadvantages WPAN. The advantages, and we can say it's a pros of WPAN, that is security, portability, easy connectivity and stability. Security, we can have a secure connection. Portability, we can move within a range of connection, the devices can move and the connection will not get lost. Okay. And ease connectivity, so within that particular range the connectivity will be easy, that is it can connect it very easily. And stability, we can have a stable network without the loss of interference. Okay. And as well as the disadvantages of WPAN, we have only two disadvantages, that is short range. If it could be a range of more than 10 meter, or in a vast range, with the usage of, that is with the specific feature and advantages of a WPAN, it will be more profitable and more useful to our humans. Okay. And transfer speeds, transfer speed, though it is secured, but the speed, it may be comparatively it is medium. So these are the disadvantages of WPAN. Thank you. Still now, we have discussed, let's see a recap, that is what is WPAN and what is the range of WPAN and what is the IEEE definition, as well as the introduction, and with the examples we have discussed, and what are the devices connected in the particular area, as well as what is meant by topology and what are the topology, what types of topology used in the wireless personal area network, and what are the technologies used, as well as features of WPAN and advantages and disadvantages of WPAN. Still now we have discussed about the basic introduction, as well as definition, features and advantages and disadvantages of WPAN. Thank you for your passion listening.